Hey guys, so we are out here with the Reflection 311 BHS. It is a super spacious and private bunkhouse floor plan, so let's go ahead and take a look. First thing I want to point out is that you have two awnings, so you have one here on this side, one on that side out, and you have your speakers right underneath there. Huge pass-through storage. You can definitely fit in all your bulky items. Here on the compartment, I want to show you that it has its own little space here, so it's enclosed and you can just go ahead and close it and it's nice and safe. Heading in the back here, you have a spot to put your TV and you have cable hookups. Great if you are into tailgating. You also have a huge outdoor kitchen here, so you have your 2-burner stove. You have some counter space to go ahead and prep. You have your sink. You have your pantry, and you have your mini fridge there. In the back, you have a ladder, so fully walkable roof. Go ahead and do your roof maintenance, and it's also prepped for a backup camera. So we're gonna go ahead and head inside here. I want you to notice the windows. You're always gonna have such a great view in this camper. Notice how I'm kicking the steps and nothing is moving, so really solid steps as we head inside. As soon as we walk in, we are in the kitchen and living area. So you have your kitchen center island here. You have your storage hutch, more counter space. Some people make this into like a coffee bar. And what's really cool is that the outlets are actually right underneath here. And just so much more storage up there. You have a double-sided refrigerator. So if you are traveling with people or just traveling for a long time, you have lots of room for food. You have your 3-burner stove and oven, additional counter space here. You have your residential size microwave. And of course, more storage for food. You have this full pantry here. Moving on over, you have your Thomas Paine recliners right in front of your TV and fireplace. You also have your booth dinette here. So right now it is folded down for sleep position, so you can use this as an additional bed, but of course you can use it for dining, and it's right in front of that big gorgeous window, so always gonna have a nice view. Built-in bookshelf here, great for DVDs, books, stuff like that. Heading into the bunkhouse, like I said, very private here. This is great if you want to use it as an in-law room for your kids, teens, whoever. You have a sofa that you can fold down into a bed. You have another bed that can come down as well. They're on the hydraulics. And then you have a bed up here, built-in staircase. If your kids are gamers, this is awesome. They can set up their TV and console back here and not bother you one bit. Also, half bath back here, so that makes it even more convenient, and then go ahead and get ready in the morning. So we're gonna head to the other side. So lots of room between the master bedroom and the guests in the bunk room, so lots of privacy. You have your mirror medicine cabinet here, big corner shower. It is a Jack and Jill access bathroom, so that's part of the closet there. Sink with some built-in storage, and then you have your medicine cabinet there as well. And then heading into the master bedroom, you have all that closet space on the side there. You have a spot if you want to hook up a TV, and then you have storage around the bed as well. So that is it, guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I will see you guys later.